Hello guys, welcome. Today we're at Skinclub. We got 1,006 cents deposited. We're gonna be giving that away, of course. But before we start doing that, I want you guys to click on your own balances, and if you type in my channel's name right under promo code, just like so, Skoma, plain and simple, you get 10% deposit bonus. So please go ahead and do that. And with that out of the way, let's get right in. Let's go on over here and let's unwrap my Christmas present. Okay, just two of them should suffice. Let's see. Spend a whole lot more for that. Okay. Alright, exclusive with the bots, crazy mode. Let's see it. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Oh, we got two. Okay, okay. Oh, we got money back. Alright, that ain't bad. That ain't that bad. Alright, so let's see. This is major. It is major. Let's just get all of them. Alright, let's see. Okay, nothing here. Oh, 38. That's something. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Nope. Nothing here. And okay, shit gone crazy. Let's see how much they won. Cause that's all I can do. Yeah. So it ain't looking good. So what do? Christmas Cup champion. You go with that. Just two of them. Okay. Nothing here. And nothing here. Alright, that ain't looking good. That ain't looking good. Okay. Christmas miracle. That's what we need. $150. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. Three more. Alright, nothing. Okay. I mean, I'm pretty sure we won. Okay, at least we made some money. At least. It ain't much though, but let's see. Okay, what to do? We go these two. We go these two. Okay. We go these three. And we just see, I guess. Alright. Let's see. Nothing big here. That ain't looking good. Okay. That is looking even worse. Alright. Cord devs, please save us. Alright. That ain't half bad. Okay. Last one. Alright. Did we win is the question. Okay, we lost. It was never enough. Alright. So, we're really lucky. But maybe, just maybe we'll get lucky here. Sorry about the yawning. Alright, this should do it. Let's go like here. Okay, I didn't get it. We did not get it. Okay. So up to 100, 10x. Go like here this time. Okay. Yeah, we didn't get it this time as well. Okay, not looking good. Not looking good. Let's go like here. Okay, we might have gotten it. Okay, we got it. We got it. Hell yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we got lucky after all. Alright. Yeah, I don't want to gamble more. I don't want to gamble more. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to use my code right here for that 10%. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.